its friends, the video, and as everyone knows, it's failed here. Well, what is there has happened. So here we have just got a valid key box from Yuri. All the wonders have been done by Yuri. So here we have got a valid key box. So here play integrity, you can successfully pass these checks. So let's quickly tell you the process here. So first of all, what you have to do, I will give you something. You have to download it. Okay. So here I will give you only one of it. I will give you all of it. Okay. Here, as you see, play integrity, tricky store, and here the integrity box is an additional module. If you want to skip this scoop, then you can skip. But if you put it, it will be better. It will help in hiding the root wagger. After that, Magisk next will be installed from all these modules here. And one extra is that the box will be filed. As you can see, this is from Yuri's side that he just put it in the box. So you will get the zip in the box file. It will have to be extracted. So all these files that you will find on our Telegram, join the Telegram channel. So let's get to the top of the process. First of all, you have to get your Magisk, kernel, CUA, patch, whatever it is. I have done it. Come to the models. After coming to the models, you have been asked to do it. You will come to install from storage. First of all, empty everything. If you have installed something, then it is okay to remove everything. After that, install from store. And here's one at a time. First of all, you will do the same. You will do it. Let it happen. Then come. Then you have to do it. I have done it. After that, you will come back. I'll come back after that. Successful, this too happened. After that, back will be installed. Install from storage. After that, here I will flash it. Play integrity fix. It will also flash it. Now I will come back. I will come back again and last model. Integrity, that box will flash it. Okay. And after flashing the integrity box here, we have to reboot it here. Okay. So it will redirect Merku. Okay. So here we have to click on reboot. As you can see, the phone is our ghost. Let's unlock it. After unlocking, they come up the steps. Here we go again on the message. Kernel Hosi will be there. So kernel will be happy if it will be a patch. Modules come up. All the modules have been successfully flashed, what I said. Now next step, what to do? You have to download and install an application. You will also get a link description. Okay, next. After clicking on the tricky store, you have to see the steps I am telling you here. The most important thing is to click on 3 dots. You will tap on select tool. Then click on 3 dots, deselect. If you click on the front, now the main issue comes. You see the key box here. Click on the key box, click on the key box, click on the key box. Then you will be called the key box here. But what do you have to do? Click on the key box. By clicking on custom, you have to select the directory where you put the key box. Now I'll show you the box where I put it. So that's my box. It was kept inside the box of the inside of the box. So here is the box. Now I will show you the weight. Here, next in the file manager, the box that this file will be in the zip format. You will extract this file after extracting. If you extract, then this file will come out. After that, the same file has to be extracted. What should I do? Okay, here's it. Next here, you have to come to the tricky store. First of all, after coming to the tricky store, you will do the select tool. Then you will do the deselect animation. Then click on the citri dot, click on the key box, then click on the custom. So here you are. I will click on the directory. It was not kept inside it. I had put it inside the key box. Here it was. Let's slate. Look at the custom box set successfully ho gaya. Ask bad for dots p clickinch. Set security patch p clickinch. Get security patch date p clickinch. Then fetching ball high. As soon as it is done, save. Save has come here successfully. I will click on save here. Then I have to wait. Here the file will be here. Look at the file. Come back. Complete. You don't have to do anything. You have to come to the whole person. Now I come directly to the Play Integrity app checker and tap here. Then you will see that your Play Integrity, Strong Integrity, Basic Integrity, Device Integrity. It was done in a pinch. And an important thing whose phone is not rooted. I have already made a video for them. They will only get the miscellaneous option inside their custom ROM. Going inside that miscellaneous opposition, you have to. The box that I gave you from Yuri's side, the Excel one which is the key box, this Excel file which is the box has to be loaded. I will put whatever is in the description in the link for it, you can see. If you want to like the video, then please lock and share the video. You will continue to get more interesting stuff on this channel. You will get to see many videos related to strong rooting and ROM booting. In the next video, please love you guys, take goodbye. And subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon. And join both our Telegram channel and group. There I keep prouding some important files there. Love you guys, goodbye in the next video.